This is what's wrong with your current invoicing tool. It's free to sign up, but they take 3% or more of each payment you receive. They can withhold your payouts whenever they want, and they don't even have to tell you why. If they decide to shut down your account with no explanation, they can do that, and they will. They have a complicated user interface with too many buttons and menus, draining your time and your mental energy. Their customer support is almost non existent. Good luck finding a human to answer your questions.
Your call is very important to us. Please hold.
That is why we created Mallow, the invoicing software with extremely low fees, a dead simple app, real customer support, and a built-in eSignature tool. Here are 3 reasons you should consider switching to Mallow. Number 1, low payment processing fees will put money back in your pocket. Sure, other invoicing tools are free to sign up, but are they actually free to use? They all charge a massively inflated payment processing fee, often taking 3 to 4% of each payment you receive. Mallow takes the opposite approach and puts money back into your bank account. Instead of taking a big chunk from each of your payments, we give you the lowest possible fee on every single transaction. Check out how Mallow's fees compare to the rest of the invoicing industry. For credit cards, our fee is a full percent lower than the industry average. And for ACH bank transfers, while the industry is often taking a full percent of your payment, Mallow only charges 10 cents per transaction. So how do all of these numbers affect your business in real life? Our customer Jonah, founder of Creo, saved north of $450 in their first month. Number 2, access Mallow's built-in contract builder and eSignature tool. Why pay for a document signature tool when Mallow has one built in? You can build your own contract or pull from our library of templates. Plus, all signatures are verified by Mallow's tech, making them legally binding and secure. Number 3, Mallow is so easy to use, you won't waste any time learning a complex new software. We designed Mallow to be the most intuitive software in the invoicing industry. That means you won't have to waste unnecessary mental energy trying to learn a big, hairy, complicated process. And if a problem ever comes up, we have a robust help center built into Mallow and 24/7 access to our customer support. Traven Page, owner of the Uncommon Brands, even gave Mallow's customer care an A+++. So is Mallow right for your business? Mallow was built for digital service businesses like marketing agencies, consultancies, creative studios, or really anyone else who sends invoices to get paid. So if you send invoices and you want to stop overpaying on invoicing fees, go to getmallow.com to create your own Mallow account.